After Open Tofu and after Velki, do you feel that it may discourage other companies from resorting to copyright and license for solving a business problem, or you see that no, companies will continue to do that, they will not learn from the mistakes?
That's interesting. That would be remains to be seen. During the conference, having similar conversations with others about this, and obviously, I wasn't in the boardroom or in the executive sessions when either of these companies talked about, okay, let's do this, right? Let's change the license for X, Y, and Z reasons, right? I'm sure there's many reasons. Who are all the players at the table to really, are some of them investors, are some of them folks that really aren't steeped in what open source is and the power of community? And can you hold up these examples to see what has happened? Underestimate if you underestimate the power of your contributors, it should give pause, right? It should give pause. And maybe even having conversations and understand, it's just like all of us, when you have a customer, you get to know your customer. What value, what problems are you solving? How can we solve those problems for you? If you're not having those questions or you're having those conversations, can you do those same things, and not just with your customers but with your users? Who are your users? What are they needing and wanting? And so is it going to be a deterrent? I think that remains to be seen, because just having a fork, I mean, I don't know the potential financial impact that's going to happen to Redis or what's happened to HashiCorp. How has it changed what their projections were by doing these things? That I don't have insight into. That would be where the financial deterrent would come. It has to be, because it seems that most of these were financial decisions to begin with. So for it to be a deterrent, then there has to be a clear connecting of the dots as to this decision didn't pay off the way we thought it would.